close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Hello and welcome to joining me here with a very large package, and one which I'm extremely excited to have received. With the world of electric mobility growing and taking shape day by day, these days I drive many electric personal hybrid vehicles, luxury vehicles and full electric vehicles. I also spend a lot of time exploring modern tech. So what about when you blend the perfect symbiosis of the two, the perfect tool to combat congested city streets, and the perfect tool to enjoy a promenade or sunset out with the family, or just simply enjoying your environment? Welcome, therefore, to this. Synergy7, huge shout out to them. They've sent me the Vsett 8 Plus, a dual motor scooter, or let's call it more of a super scooter that adds a lot of range, mobility and power. Something very exciting from a company like Synergy7, who bring in products which, well, don't conform to the norms. So with that being said, let's cut this box open. I'm extremely excited to have received it, see what's inside, unbox the Vsett 8 Plus, and then spend some time getting to see what this serious piece of kit is all about.
No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go.
After having unboxed the Vsett 8 Plus, well, let's take a look around the scooter itself. We're on the perfect place, the Sea Point Promenade, the outdoor lifestyle, and there's a few things we can talk about. For starters, it's an incredibly solid product. It's got a great solid platform deck, and the suspension works incredibly well to soak up the bumps. Then of course, if we put down the kickstand here, let's talk some of the features. The display here, we're talking around 40 k's an hour top speed, 3 different speed modes, variable selection through these toggles here, as well as this dual drive motor button. It's got a built-in bell here, and you've got a solid wide platform deck with dual charge ports. You've got LED lighting, indicators. It's got an impressive range. It really is a full quality product, this from Vsett.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading